guys, so finally the day has come when we are moving to our new apartment and we are super duper excited.
And I believe that when you move to a new apartment or a new house or a condo, it feels like a start of a new life. It's a new phase and it's an amazing feeling. And but that doesn't mean that we won't miss this house. Of course, we started our Canadian journey in this house and we started this YouTube channel in this house. So definitely it holds a very, very special place.
As you can see that the house is a mess and we did all this packing ourselves. We started in fact a month ago with the small stuff. Of course we couldn't pack the bigger stuff like the TV, bed or even my office setup because of course we need it daily. So we did major chunk of the packing in the last 2 days and to be honest it did get tiring.
And in fact, we haven't taken services from any movers and packers even for moving all the stuff. So we'll be moving all our furniture on our own using a U-Haul truck and I'll be driving it myself. So I'm sure it's going to be some new experience. So let's see how it goes. But anyways, it's time for us to go and pick up our U-Haul truck. So let's go. So guys, we have almost reached, but I just wanted to share one review. So we booked the pickup location of U-Haul. I mean, the pickup location was different, but at midnight 12, they sent us an email that changes have been made to your booking and the pickup location has been changed. So by chance in the morning, I saw my email and that is why I got to know that the booking has been changed.
Yeah, and
So
it was even moved to like a further location
farther
from
location,
than
yeah.
where we earlier booked.
So if you are also booking a U-Haul in future, so make sure that you are also like checking your emails constantly just to see if any changes have been made to your booking or not.
So we have booked this size.
I might look calm, but I'll be honest. I was a little scared and nervous. In fact, I invested the initial 10 minutes of my time just to understand all these buttons.
So how's it feeling, Nishant? इतना बड़ा ट्रक चलाना?
I was scared initially, but now like I have been driving this for like 10-15 minutes. I'm feeling a bit comfortable. I don't think it's a big deal. I think I can now drive a truck again for sure. So guys, we have finally loaded our U-Haul truck with all our furniture. Sorry we could not shoot it because I mean we were only 2 people and we had to do all this, so we needed all our 4 hands to do all this, so we could not shoot it. But yeah, it took us almost 2.5 hours, more than 2.5 hours. So yeah, definitely movers and packers are worth it. So but yeah, if you have at least 3 or 4 family members in your house, then U-Haul truck is good because then like 4 members can easily like pitching together and like load the truck. But with 2 people it is difficult, no doubt. But yeah, we are happy that we finally did it.
Now that half of the work is done, we have already done the uploading, but we also have to do the downloading. I don't know what's gonna happen.
So let's say the final goodbye to this house. How are you feeling?
Very emotional, very tired. But yeah, we'll miss this house like nothing else. This is our first home in Canada.
Yes, definitely.
And yeah, we have seen a lot of lived a lot of
Canadian life here. Yes, but yeah, it's time to say goodbye and move to the new apartment. So let's go. So guys, we have finally unloaded our truck and we have moved our furniture to our apartment, and now we are at the U-Haul location to return our U-Haul truck. So we'll go to the apartment and we'll show you the vacant apartment tour. And after that, we'll definitely share the cost, the details, and the entire review of this experience and this service with you, definitely.
An interesting story. Among all this, we also forgot one piece of furniture. So we
Yeah.
have to actually carry it on our own. So.
Right. We came here to return the truck, and we did not realize that one of the furniture pieces was still left in the cargo. So fortunately, we found it, and now we'll take it home on our own. But anyways, let's go and show you the vacant apartment tour.
Alright guys, so as you can see, our clothes are different now, and the reason is because we are shooting this part on another day, and the reason is
So in the process of loading our truck in our old apartment, I twisted my ankle really bad. But though, I mean, at that time it wasn't painful. So yeah, we did all that loading, and I even drove the U-Haul truck to this new apartment, and we unloaded all the furniture and shifted to this new apartment. We did all of that. And then when we like sat down like calmly just to have our lunch, at that time I realized that it's hurting a lot and I have a serious sprain in my ankle. And just 2 days before, we have discovered that it might be a 3rd-degree sprain, which might take another 4 weeks to recover.
with full bed rest.
Exactly. But yeah, that is the reason that because I got a sprain in my ankle, we could not complete this shoot on that day.
So the idea was to show you the empty apartment first, and then we would have, set up everything. However, as you can see, we are shooting it on another day, and we did have to open up and set up some of the essential items. But if you want to see the vacant apartment, we have covered it in our apartment hunting video. We'll definitely leave a link for the same in the description box.
And a lot of you guys on Instagram were asking for a complete apartment tour. So, but as you can see right now, the apartment is a mess because of my sprain. We were not able to like assemble our furniture back. So yeah, I mean, once I have recovered, once we are able to unpack and assemble all this stuff once again, we'll definitely make an apartment tour for you guys. So now coming to the details of our entire moving experience and what was the cost of this U-Haul truck. So if we would have booked movers and packers, then generally they charge $100 to $120 per hour for 2 people and additional $120 for the truck. So this, I mean, loading the truck with all our furniture, then moving it into the new location, then unloading the truck, then shifting all the furniture into a new apartment, then assembling all the furniture. All this would have taken at least 5 to 6 hours. So if you multiply like even 5 hours by $120, then it comes out to be around $600 plus additional $120 for the truck. So in total, it would have costed us around $700 to $800. And keep in mind, this is on the lower end. Some of the movers and packers can charge you over $200 per hour as well. But yeah, the benefit is that you don't have to do much of the labor.
On the other hand, the U-Haul truck just costed us around $200 for the entire day. But the con is it definitely gets tiring, especially since it was just the 2 of us. And that's why the recommendation is if you have friends or family, then definitely request them to pitch in to help you out so that the move itself can be easier. And like, for example, in our case, Nishant sprained his ankle, so something like that doesn't happen.
Right. But on the contrary, I did enjoy the whole process, especially because of that driving that U-Haul truck from our old apartment to new apartment. It was a really new experience for me, and I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, but definitely one suggestion, don't move on weekends because weekends are the days that most people move. In fact, in our case, from the apartment that we were moving out, our older apartment, there were 7 people moving on the same day and roughly about the same time. And it gets really difficult because you have to book the lift, like they assign you a specific lift so that you can actually move your stuff quicker. However, if it's so many people moving out, you get a smaller window and then you are just pressed for time to do everything very quickly, and that's when accidents happen. So try not to move on a weekend. Try to make it more comfortable for you. See if you can move on a weekday instead. That can be much easier.
Right. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got to learn something from our entire moving experience. And if you did, oh my god.
We are
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got to learn something from our entire moving experience. And if you did, then please hit the like button. And as we said that once we have decorated our house as per what we have envisioned, we'll definitely make an apartment tour. So please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.